For me, it's like any other opponent, but definitely just like a little missions. But obviously, I've got to hide it, and I got to play with the team I'm playing with right now. So it's more on our goal than just my role.
AJ, for you, tingin mo ba yung first two games mo, was it more, yung naging adjustment mo today, that's why you had a big game, was it more emotional or physical yung ginawa mong pagbabago sa game mo kaya naging ganito yung numbers?
Actually sa role ko, like, I'm trying to stick pa din sa strength ko. And kasi first game and second game, tinatry ko nga talaga yung sarili ko sa ganitong arena, yung crowd, fans, yung mga bright lights. So actually, ngayon talaga sabi ko na kailangan, andito na ako eh. Like, I'm here already, so I have to work, you know. So, happy ako and nakuha namin yung win today.
Questions, guys?
Ano bang masayang tanong dyan? Parang ang lungkot-lungkot natin dito, nanalo kami, no?
Coach, can you talk about yung naging plano lang going to the second half na sobrang ganda ng nilaro ng team offensively. Tsaka napigilan yun yung scoring ng UST.
It's, well, I think, just like what I said earlier, tingin ko there were some doubts going to the game. No, kasi we struggled as a group preparing for today's game. But I think what the first half showed is that we could stay with them. Kaya siguro no halftime break, it was the realization of the group na, pwede pala, no? Despite UST having a really strong lineup, deep lineup compared to last year. And, big support compared to the previous years. Kaya pala natin sumabay. So, and siguro that triggered it. Kaya the second half they played a lot better. Our defense was commendable, but I wasn't happy with the last 3 minutes. Only was that 3 minutes where 3 to 4 minutes when we were leading by mga 18. I saw people relax a little bit. Akala nila tapos na yung game.
Matthew, you had a much better game today compared to when you played against Lasan previously. What was going on through your mind going to this game that made you play much better and very efficient?
I would just say the first 2 games I wasn't too aggressive looking for my shot, and then I think I noticed it made it a little harder for my teammates to get a better shot, so I just came with the mindset to try to be aggressive and then just play, flow the game, and then if I have the shots, take it. If I don't, try to give my teammates some shots, better shots.
To Royce, was there extra motivation heading to this game knowing UST was your first?
Yeah, for sure. Definitely playing against my old teammates as well, and I also got to hide my emotions as well. So it does motivate me that I'm playing against my old team, and yeah, I'm glad that we got the win.
What can you rate your performance today, especially if you get the win?
You let us know if you want to go back.
It was good. I don't really have to rate it. We all played as a team. That's what matters.